DonovanWall's range filter is designed to reduce minor price noise and give a cleaner view of the underlying trend. Instead of reacting to every small candle movement, it filters price through a defined volatility range, so the chart only responds when movement is large enough to matter. At the center of the indicator is a dynamic range calculation. This range can be based on different methods such as average change, ATR, or standard deviation. Once that range is set, it acts as a threshold around price. The filter does not adjust every time price moves. It only updates when price moves far enough beyond that threshold, which helps remove some of the short-term fluctuation that can make a chart harder to read. The output is a step-like line that changes position only when price has made a meaningful move. When the filter is rising, it reflects sustained upward pressure. When it is falling, it reflects sustained downside pressure. During sideways conditions, the line will often hold its position, showing that price movement has not been strong enough to confirm a clear directional shift. The upper and lower bands around the filter add another useful layer. These bands show the areas price needs to exceed before the filter can move. When price reaches one of these bands and holds beyond it, the indicator begins to reflect a potential continuation or change in direction. This makes the bands useful reference points for reading whether price is expanding beyond its recent range or still trapped inside it. The indicator also gives flexibility in how price movement is measured. Using closing prices can create a smoother and more conservative read because the filter reacts to where candles finish. Using candle wicks can make it more sensitive because it includes intrabar movement. Additional smoothing can also be applied depending on whether the trader wants a faster response or a more stable trend filter. In practice, the range filter is better understood as a directional filter than a standalone signal tool. Its purpose is to simplify structure and help separate trending conditions from consolidation. When price continues to hold above a rising filter, the market is showing a stronger bullish structure. When price remains below a falling filter, the market is showing a weaker or more bearish structure. It becomes more useful when combined with other forms of confirmation. Supertrend can help confirm whether the filtered direction aligns with the wider trend. ADX can show whether the move has enough strength behind it. Momentum tools such as RSI or MACD can then help judge whether price is accelerating, cooling off, or resetting as it interacts with the filter and its bands. One of the main benefits of DonovanWall's range filter is that it keeps attention on meaningful price movement. It helps reduce the distraction of short-term noise and gives traders a cleaner framework for reading trend direction, consolidation, and potential continuation. It should still be used with structure, confirmation, and sensible risk management, but as a trend filter, it can make the chart easier to interpret.